Good day everyone, you are welcome to this video. To my new and non subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit all this kind of effect whereby whatever you are saying it will be displaying on your screen. Alright, whenever you say TV screen, you're going to see it. Whenever you say house, it's going to display, and whenever you say iPod, it's going to display. So I'm going to show you step by step. Hope you see everything that I just displayed now. Yes, so I'm going to show you how you can edit this kind of video, because there are some videos that whatever you see, you need to show it to your audience so that your audience will be able to understand. It will definitely captivate the attention of your audience. Alright, and I'm also going to show you how to add those sound. I believe you listen to the sound when those images was appearing, right? You listen to the whoosh sound. Alright, I'm going to show you how you can add those sound and how you can create that kind of effect. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's head over to Capcut. So we are on Capcut. All you just need to do is to go over to your new project and add your video. So once you add your video, now let's assume this is our video. Right, let's play this video.
After this video, make sure you share this video. I'm going to show you how you can put yourself on a TV screen.
I'm going to show you how you can put yourself on a TV screen. Let's split here and delete the rest. Alright, let's delete this. Okay, let me just use this one as a sample. So I'm going to show you how you can put yourself on a TV screen. Now if you have your video like this, please make sure you understand the orientation of the kind of video you want to use. I mean the aspect ratio. So once you go over to this aspect ratio, this is it. Tap on it. Now if you want to post your video on TikTok, make sure you use this. Alright, if you want to post it on Instagram, make sure you use this. So I'm just going to use this TikTok. So I'm going to mark it. So now let me just bring down my effect, which is that image.
I'm going to show you how you can put yourself on a TV screen.
So immediately it said TV screen. I'm going to go over to overlay. I'm going to add overlay. I'm going to go over to photos. I'm going to add my TV screen. This is it. This is my TV screen. So I can decide to leave it like this, and I can decide to remove the white background. But let's just leave it like that. So now this is our TV screen. So you can use your two fingers to make it look small, or you can use it to expand it. You know the way they used to zoom in and zoom out. So that's what you will do. So this is what we're going to do.
I'm going to show you how you can put yourself on a TV screen.
So can you see?
On a TV screen.
So immediately I said TV screen. Alright, I want this TV screen to appear. Now it depends on how you want it to appear. Right, it depends on how you want it. Maybe you want it to come from the left hand side, you want it to come from the right hand side, you want it to come from up, you want it to come from down. So this is what we're going to do. So from here I'm going to bring it like this. So use your two fingers to expand the timeline like this. Alright, we'll expand the timeline like this. Now this is what we're going to do. Now from this point, alright, I'm going to give it a keyframe. So once you give a keyframe, I want my own to come from left like this. Alright, so I want it to come in. So immediately I drag it out of the scene. So I'm going to move this forward a little bit. So I'm going to drag it like this. So once I drag it like that, so at the end of this video, I want it to slide to the right hand side. I'm going to tap on keyframe again. I'm going to move it forward. I'm going to drag it out. So you're going to have this kind of effect.
Screen.
Can you see?
On a TV screen.
So it depends on how you want it to be. Alright, it depends on how you want it to be. If you notice that this thing is very fast. Alright, the effect is very fast, very fast.
The screen.
Okay, so you can decide to remove this keyframe. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, go over to the keyframe mirror and remove it. So you're going to have it like this. So it depends on how you want it to be. Alright, it depends on the direction you want it to be. So let me show you another example. Let me show you another example. And let's assume maybe you want it to appear from small to large image. This is what you're going to do. So from here, you're going to give it a keyframe. You're going to give it a keyframe. So you're going to resize it like this. Going to resize it like this. Make sure it looks small. Right, you are going to bring it forward a little bit. You're going to expand it back. Expand it like this. So this is what you're going to get
on a TV screen.
Can you see? Can you see that kind of
On a
transition?
TV screen.
So the other point that is zoom in like that, you're just going to give it that effect, that sound. Go over to audio, go over to sound effects. Depends on any effect you want to use. So you just play around it. You can use any effect. You can actually use this one
on a TV screen.
Can you see?
TV screen.
Can you see? So, but you can
decide
to look for any effect at all. Right? You can decide to use any effect at all. You can use even shorter. You can use shorter effect. It depends on the effect. Can you see? In the digital world, we make our mark, guiding you from dawn till dark. You can actually use this one
TV
too.
screen.
Can you see? You see? So this is how to apply that kind of effect. So at the end of this effect, if you want it to just move out, this is what I'm going to do. You're going to tap on keyframe. All right. At the you move it forward a little bit. You are going to drag this down. Right. You are going to have it
Show you how
like
you
this.
can put yourself on a TV screen.
Can you see? So this is how to use your keyframe to whatever you are saying. You are going to see it on your screen. All right. Is it that image? Even if it's a video, all right. All you just need to do is to go over to overlay, add overlay, and you're going to add the video. So once you add this video, all you just need to do is use your hand to resize it. So at that point that you want the video to appear, you tap on it, you tap on keyframe, you just slide it to one side like this. You want the video to drag it forward and bring it back like this. So you're going to see this is what you're going to have.
I'm going to show you how you can put yourself on a
just your
TV screen.
smartphone.
So can you see? So this is how to apply your overlay. Whatever you are saying, you are going to put it on the screen so that it will captivate the attention of the audience and you'll be able to edit professional video. I believe you understand what I just did here, and it is more necessary for you to add sound to it to make it look real, to make it look professional. Right. So please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Don't forget to share this video, drop your comment. Please drop your comment. Please, we need to grow on this channel. Once you are done, all you just need to do is to increase your resolution here to 1080p or 4K and export your video. Don't forget, share this video. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in my next video.